Good morning, friends. I have a question. And the question is, have you ever been afraid? Have you ever been afraid to do something radical? Have you ever been afraid to do something that would completely rock your world? Have you ever been afraid that when you do this radical thing, that your fear is really rooted in the fears of failure and success? Well, I don't know about you, but I have. Actually experiencing some of that right now. As I get ready to embark on something really radical. And it's scaring me. And one thing that I'm learning that my sister friend brought to my attention this morning is that one of the ways that God uses me to heal others is through testimony. And I just want to encourage you. I'm going to go this way. I just want to encourage you all to not be afraid of the things you're afraid of. What I mean by that is you don't have to be afraid to express the fear. You don't have to be afraid to tell God about the fear, or even tell a loved one, a trusted loved one, about the fear. Because really the purpose of you telling them is so that they can help you dismantle the fear. I am looking at the next 12 weeks as a response to all the things God is telling me to do. And one area that I am prioritizing over the next 12 weeks is my body stewardship. What I'm feeding my body, how I'm treating my body, what I'm allowing my body to experience the next 12 weeks. And I'm afraid that it's going to be hard. I'm afraid that it's going to be an extreme challenge. I'm afraid that I'm going to want to give up. I'm afraid that it might actually work and that I'll notice a difference. I'm afraid that I won't notice a difference. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So today I am inviting any person who has ever survived sexual violence or domestic violence or stalking or human trafficking. I'm inviting you all to pray with me today at 12 p.m. on a conference line, 712-432-0375. And the access code is 905-364#. This is a prayer call for survivors and parents of survivors, sisters and brothers of survivors, for pastors, for teachers, anybody who has ever worked with somebody or loved somebody who was a survivor. And today we are dismantling fear. Real fear. Dismantling fear in the name of Jesus. Today, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's time to rise. It's a survivor-centered prayer call, 12 p.m. every Wednesday. The number again is 712-432-0375. Access code is 905-364#. Take care, y'all. Rise.